Surely you want to be eating all of the food that you've worked so hard to grow this year. But if you're like me, you're struggling with this cabbage moth caterpillar right here. See all of the holes it's eaten through my kale. So unfortunately, this is going to be happening all season long. It's just starting, and it's going to be happening on all of your brassicas. So things like your kale, cabbage, cauliflowers, and broccolis. So your first course of action is to remove them. So you can either just hand pick them all off, or you can come in store and talk to us about some products to appropriately treat them with. Your best solution at this point is going to be to apply a lightweight crop cover. This works really well because the light and the water will still penetrate through the fabric. Now ideally this should have been applied at the time of planting, but it's still not too late. So simply just cover your brassicas with fabric, and we have these great landscape staples that just go right in to pin it in place to prevent the wind from blowing it away. Ooh,